Good evening, guys. So today, let us do a quick recipe. Let us prepare something very quickly, especially for the kids, uh, for the naughty kids who don't like the vegetables that much. They want only the non-veggies. So this is a kind of dish which is a mixture of veg and non-veg both. Fried rice. So it's a veg non-veg fried rice. So guys, for the fried rice, we will take the basmati rice, which is a long grain rice. It gives a good flavor and as well as it gives a good texture. And the dish also looks very well with the long grain rice. If you can use the rices that you are making in the afternoon and in the evening you are making the fried rice, then the shapes of the rice will be very good. But I don't have that, so I am freshly making the rice and showing you the process thoroughly. So before putting the rice into the boiling water, what I'll do, I'll put sufficient amount of salt, and then I'll use some half teaspoon of sugar, little olive oil, and some drops of vinegar. So friends, while you are using the long grain rice, that time if it is possible for you, then soak the rice in water at least for 15-20 minutes. If it is 45 minutes, then it is absolutely good. By that, actually the rice actually spreads completely and it shows its full length of the rice. And once I added the vinegar and the sugar is actually giving the strength to the rice grains, so that once we will fry it, there will be less chance to break the grains of the rice. And let the water be completely boiled and then only add the rices. Otherwise what happens, the bottom part of the rice, if you are putting the rice in the cold water which is getting boiled or slowly getting boiled, in that case, guys, my water is completely boiling now. So I added the salt, sugar, vinegar, and the drops of olive oils. So this is just a trick that whenever you are making the rice, especially for the fried rice or any kind of long grain rice preparation, that time let the water be completely boiled and then only you push the rice there. Otherwise what happens, when your water is getting boiled, if you are putting the rice in the boiling water, in that case your rice at the bottom of the pan, they get cooked more than the rice those are at the upper part of the water. So guys, it's my bad habit that I always keep cleaning my kitchen, especially hobs and the countertop, just at the time of cooking, so that I don't need to put extra effort. So friends, be careful with the basmati rice, because although it's a long grain rice, but it has a very bad tendency to get broken or get cooked very fast. So you have to remember that you have to cook it till 60 to 70% in the water, and rest of the part, rest 30-40% in the oil. You have to actually fry it. So my rice is almost done, because now I can show you what kind of grains are there. So it is, I'll say it is 40%. Let it get more 20%, and then I'll drain the water through my strainer. Actually, in this kind of Chinese fashion fried rice, the one of the major portion is the chopping of the vegetables, and once those are ready, then you have to concentrate on the frying part. And so in the frying part, you have to fry everything together, and but one by one. Guys, actually I am first preparing my omelette or the egg bhurji for the next process, to mix it in the rice. So I am putting little amount of olive oil. So friends, as I am making the non-veg version of the Chinese fried rice, you have your choice to make it completely veg, even without onion or the ginger garlic, especially for the Jains. If you don't want to put the ginger garlic, still it is fine. It's a versatile kind of dish which actually gets cooked very fast, and also it is a very nutrition rich dish, because it combines all the vegetable vitamins, and it is easy to digest. So guys, I am done with my frying of the eggs. So let me quickly shift it to some other plate. Now guys, it's fine for adding all the ingredients now, one by one, and don't lower the heat so that the vegetables don't change their textures. Slightly toss. Now I'll add the garlic and ginger quickly, and then I will add some prawns. So 3 vegetables has already gone there. Actually, it is getting very overheated. Guys, I think it's good time to add the rice. Add little sugar in the rice. Give a good stir. Guys, be careful. You don't need to break the rice. You just need to fold it. At this stage, if you want, you can reduce the temperature slightly. If you feel that something is getting burnt or getting stuck at the bottom, if you are feeling or if you are worried about that, in that case you can reduce the flame little bit. Guys, as I told that once I put the rice, I will add the uh, greens leafy part of the spring onion. So I have added the spring onions now. Guys, see the texture, look at the color, look at the texture. Guys, I am putting lots of effort to make the video so that you can understand bit by bit. So don't desert in me, at least try these recipes uh, so that at least I can understand that someone at least getting interested, and they are trying, they are failing, they have some doubts, they have some comments, and we can interact, because after all we are interacting through a social network. So we need to be social through communication, through messages. So guys, let us communicate as much as possible so that we can share our knowledges, and as well as if you like these videos, or if you feel that these are the helpful contents that you can subscribe to, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can immediately get the notification as soon as I upload some videos, because almost every day I cook something. Not everything is videoable or showable. So whenever I feel that okay, this is the dish I should at least show my viewers, then only I think to make a video, because making a video is not a simple task, because it's time consuming. Guys, we are almost at the end. I have not tested it yet because I know it needs some more amount of salt. The amount I have put in at the time of frying is not sufficient, so I will sprinkle some amount of salt. 2-3 drops of vinegar I'll spread on top of it, and I will take it out from the oven. Guys, you can see the texture and contents and the fineness of the rices. No grains are getting stick together, so it's all separated, and the grains are completely blushed and completely spread with various colors. So it's a dessert fried rice that I wanted to make. Friends, here is the projected view of our fried rice. Let me cover from the bottom, and then I'll go on the top. So you can say it's a riots of colors, and the textures are too good, and the consistency of the fried rice is also very good, because it is not sticky, and all the elements are getting visible perfectly. So guys, if you really liked and enjoyed the video, please gift me a like or subscribe. Your like, subscribe, comment, share is really important to me for making good videos and to help you in the process of cooking the way I have learned cooking from a beginner to expert. I'll try to help you on the same line. Just stay with me with your support. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay home. All the best.